So this is what a bandolier looks like. You've probably seen ads for these all over Instagram. That's where I first found out about these. And you probably know that they are super expensive. I mean, for me, they're $100. So for me, that's pricey. I've been working on something with Nuckees for the last couple months. I wanted to be able to have something like the bandolier, and I definitely wanted it to be affordable, because that's the one thing I always hear from you, that you want things that are affordable. So we have actually developed our very own body wallets. These are so cute. We took all of the amazing things from the bandolier and we made it our own. The other great thing is that the bandolier is made from genuine leather. I know that that's a big selling point for a lot of people. They want a genuine leather product, but a lot of you have told me that you're interested in vegan faux leather, so that is what we brought you. This is a vegan faux leather case, and this one right here has the cute little tuft squares on it. Super cute. They're $29.99. That is way better of a price point in my perspective. So they're must-haves. They become must-haves. The bandolier for me was like a wish list item, and I was like, maybe I'll get one. Not really sure if I can afford it. The body wallets are something that you should be able to gift yourself with at any point in time. It's a great gift for a friend. I just think it's so awesome. So let's just do a comparison, shall we? Because I want to show you how awesome the body wallets are. Bandolier makes an amazing product. It's so cute, it's fashionable, genuine leather, like I said, and it works just like this. You have this strap that obviously you wear just like a purse. You can wear it on your shoulder. You can wear it across your body like so. Very classy, very nice. And then what you do is you put your phone inside the case portion. This is soft touch. It's a certain type of material. You'll feel it and you'll know it when you feel it. So let me demonstrate how this works. You put your phone right inside, very easy. And then you're able to have your phone by your side, on your body. One of my friends went to a concert and used the porta potty, and she said this type of phone case saved her life because she was hands-free. So let's compare though to the Nuckees Body Wallet. So the bandolier opens just like so. It snaps at the corner. You can go ahead and unsnap it. While you're wearing it, pull out your license, credit card, whatever you need, put it right back in, snap it closed, and everything you need is right here on the back of your phone case. Perfect. You can also change out the straps if you need to, and they come right off. Same thing with the Nuckees Body Wallet. It is actually made of the soft touch material on the sides, but we added velvet on the inside. You put your phone in the same exact way. You just slide your phone right into the case, just like so. This one's $100. This one's $29.99 right now. Okay, let's look at the rest of the phone case. Everything else is pretty much the same. The body wallets open the same exact way. You just take it right from the top. You can open it up, put your credit cards and everything inside. The difference between the bandolier and the body wallets is that you can see that the bandolier has sort of this, I don't know, plasticky kind of finish inside. Ours has more of a velvety finish inside. It's a little bit softer, smoother. Same style with the straps. We have the faux leather with the gold chain that you can put on your shoulder or you can put over you like so. And you can access your phone really easily, get to all your credit and debit cards. You can get to the buttons on your phone. You can even take photos without opening a wallet or anything like that. It's super convenient when you're on a trip or you're at the airport or a concert. There's so many reasons why people really want to have one place to carry their phone, their license, credit, debit cards, etc., and also be able to be completely hands-free, but have your phone right near you. I want to show you all the different styles. I want to take these off because now they feel like they're strangling me. But I want to show you all the styles we have come up with, and our price point is $29.99. And the reason why is because I want all of you to be able to experience something that you really, really love without having to break the bank. To me personally, the bandolier is something that I would put on a wish list or a birthday list or a holiday list, whereas body wallets to me is something that you could treat yourself with and you're not really breaking the bank, which is totally what I'm on point with. I've heard from so many moms that this is the perfect thing because they have their kids, they have groceries, they have things in their hands, and also they just love having their phone there, take a picture of their kids, text, call someone, etc., but also be able to do things hands-free. And that's why I've always loved this idea. It's also super easy to get your phone out of the body wallet. It pops right out. All you have to do is take the corner of the top and just press and it comes right out. You guys know I never like to break my nails on cases, so we made sure that that was super easy. And then how cute is this little packaging? Love that, so adorable. The body wallets are definitely gonna be available at retailers near you, so stores will be carrying these. I will leave a list for you below, so you could go to your local store and pick one up if you don't wanna get one online. And by the way, if you are watching the premiere of this video, I am giving away 2 of the body wallets. All you have to do is be here for the premiere in the chat. So if you are in the live chat right now, thank you so very much for being here for the premiere. Thank you for being part of my community. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for sharing my love for all things phone fashion with me. I'm gonna be picking 2 lucky winners. All you have to do is tell me in the chat why you want a body wallet. That's it. We're gonna be picking somebody at random and gifting you with one of these body wallets. 2 of you will win. All you have to do is let us know why you would be the perfect person to gift a body wallet to. Like always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will answer as many of them as possible. I really want to know what you think of these. Please leave it in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear whether you're excited about this, if you've tried Bandolier, what you liked about Bandolier, what you didn't, if you've ever heard of Bandolier. Don't forget to look in the description box every video because there's always a link to a new giveaway. Even if you're not here for the premiere, there's a giveaway going on every week at nuckees.com. So take a look in the description box because I also have discounts and little Easter eggs and fun stuff for you. So don't forget to open it and check it out. If you're not familiar with the Nuckees brand, I would love to introduce them to you. You can look in the cards and below in the description box. I will have a playlist there for you and I will have videos introducing you to the grips that they make and everything else they have going on. I really do thank you so much for being here for this. I'm excited, and like always, thank you so very much for being here. I will see you in my next video. Bye.